I've been putting this Alcantara BMW M3 style steering wheel on my car. I already went ahead and disconnected the battery. It's been disconnected for probably about an hour. Right here on the back of the steering wheel here, there's a couple little soft spots where you can stick a screwdriver through, because the thing that holds your airbag on are two clips that are, well, they're hard to see, but they're right there in the plate. I'll show you in a sec. Alright guys, once you get the airbag removed, you have a black one and a green one, two plugs. So what you want to do is you're going to get a screwdriver right in between the little black plate on top of the green plug. See that? You're going to stick a screwdriver right in between and you're going to twist it. You know, you're not going to stick the screwdriver all the way through. You're just going to stick it right in the lip and you're going to twist it so that the black piece pops up. It pops right up. Same thing with the black plug. You don't want to remove this metal clip that's in there. You don't want to get it from this side. You want to get it from this side. And you're going to stick the screwdriver in there, twist it. It'll pop the retaining clip. And then you can just take these right off the airbag. Now, when you stick your screwdriver through, I don't know if you can see this, on the back side of the steering wheel, see that? When you stick your screwdriver through there, you got a retaining clip that comes through. And this is what the tab of the airbag gets locked in on. So when you stick your screwdriver through, it pushes that retaining spring out of the way. So you do that on both sides. There's one over here too. Disconnect these plugs right here, 1 and 2. You're gonna have to take out this T10 screw right here and disconnect the wire from the plate. Go ahead, pull that off. This is gonna be a Torx T10. This is good. And that's gonna be your little grooves that the wire was sitting. So it goes out. There's lines for the airbag. And now you're gonna need a 16mm for your bolt. So now the steering wheel should just pull right off. There's the box spring. There's the old steering wheel, she's off. The new one just fits right on there. Make sure you line up your index mark. There's a flat spot with an arrow. The arrow goes right in the middle of the flat spot. And now I'm just installing my harness for the airbag. Putting the T10 screw in. Route my wire up into the clip. And you're going to be connecting your glider right onto the tab. Go ahead and install your plugs. There's 1. There's 2. And you're ready to install your airbag, and then you're done. That's it. That's how you install a steering wheel on a BMW. And there you go. Airbag's installed, clipped right in place. Just make sure you take it easy, pushing it in, just go ahead and shove it in there. And that's it. That's the finished product. Nice Alcantara. I've been talking about it for a couple weeks now. So I got it finished, not even a half hour. Probably would have had it done in about 5-10 minutes. All you need is a Torx T10 flathead screwdriver. It's a 10mm and a 13mm to disconnect your battery completely. Alright guys, I gotta say, the guys over at ASA Parts over in the UK hooked it up awesome this time. They did a really fine job on this steering wheel. I mean, this Alcantara is just beautiful. Everything you touch on this is leather. This is all leather. They did a really great job with this. Got the M badge on there. Alcantara. Nothing feels better than nice Alcantara. It's a synthetic suede, leather grip. This is just beautiful. Turned out really nice. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you haven't hit it already. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Until next time, later.